Well, man, I tell you, fixing the radio like this, um, this is a serious pain in the ass. These things are just not made well. So I was getting ready to put this back together, and I felt something. I was like, I felt the pins on the bottom of this thing move as I was trying to plug them in. And you can see right there clearly that's a cold solder joint. And both of those. And let me see if I can... See it? Look real close. Let me get really close in there. So, and you're going to find tons and tons and tons of these in this radio. Like, I mean, I don't know. I mean, can you just solder the whole entire radio? Because that's pretty much what you're going to need to do. And then sometimes, like, it just, it doesn't want to solder well. But anyway, so, probably got to pull this other board here. Because what happened was, it was working until I pulled this. And I think I actually experienced that before. So, every single thing... I mean, like all these connections, any header pins on this radio are subject to be bad. You know, they have strain, radios have been worked on, and they crack. So, man, this is just nuts.